Hello kids, this is Mr. Agee and it's Friday, September 25th. You will, for inquiry today, you'll click into the week 6 assignments. You can see the folders this way. I don't typically show this way, but it's a different way that you can see it. Inside the inquiry folder, you can see that there is a video here, Friday Inquiry 2, all about Indiana, and you'll be learning again about which region of the United States Indiana is in, and what our bordering states are, and other facts about Indiana. And then after you watch the video, there's this little green puzzle piece. It's the first time I've used it. It is a little test. It's a little quiz about things that you can find in the video here. And it is just 5 questions about Indiana. When you click into it, I think yours will look different from mine, so I get the gradebook view. I had Harper take it this morning so I could see what it looked like from a student perspective. But your job is just to do the very best that you can on the test. When you see the test, it should look something like this. There are 5 questions, and each one is a multiple choice. So do your best and good luck with this. And if you have any problems, make sure you send me a little um, message through the email feature. And I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.